Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Craftsman 20V battery is probably one of the most essential components for anyone invested in power tools and outdoor equipment. These batteries are crucial for efficiency and reliability, and the 20-volt category has gained significant popularity. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this battery a top contender, exploring its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect power solution for your needs. Number 5. Craftsman V24A Lithium-ion Battery 2-Pack. This Craftsman battery is designed for those demanding jobs. It provides the extended runtime you need to get the work done. This will keep you going longer. With premium-grade high-energy cells, this battery delivers improved power. It ensures that the tool operates at its peak performance. You will feel the difference. The battery is built for a longer life, providing lasting value. This means fewer replacements and more time on the job. It's a smart investment. The 3 LED state of charge indicator keeps you informed. You can easily monitor the battery's power level. It helps you plan your work efficiently. It has no memory effect and virtually no self-discharge. This ensures that it's always ready when you need it. It maximizes your productivity on the job. This is a pack of 2 V24.0 high-capacity lithium batteries. They provide the power and runtime you need. It's a great addition to your tool collection. What we like. This battery pack offers extended runtime for those demanding jobs. It also provides improved power with premium-grade cells, ensuring your tools perform at their best. If you're looking for a reliable power source that can handle heavy-duty applications, this is the one for you. What people say. Batteries are great. Charge quickly and last a long time with 1.4 and 1.2 impact guns. 20-volt battery durability and function, holding the charge to long periods of time, power lasts for a long time. Excellent batteries and charger long life, fast recharge too, highly recommended. Number 4. Craftsman V22.0 Lithium-ion Battery 2-Pack. This 2-pack of batteries is designed for heavy-duty job site applications. It provides extended runtime, allowing you to work longer without needing to recharge. Inside, you'll find premium-grade, high-energy cells. These cells deliver improved power, ensuring that the tool performs at its best. The battery is built for longevity, resulting in an extended lifespan. This means you can rely on it for a long time. The battery features a 3 LED state of charge indicator. This allows you to easily monitor the remaining power. It has no memory effect and virtually no self-discharge. This ensures maximum productivity and convenience. This pack includes two 2.0 lithium-ion batteries. They are perfect for extended use on the job site. What we like. This pack provides extended runtime for your tools. It features improved power and longer life, ensuring your tools perform well. If you need a reliable power source for your job site applications, this is a great choice. What people say. These 2.0 batteries are a great addition to my current Craftsman setup. They hold a solid charge and power my tools reliably. The Craftsman V22.0 lithium-ion battery is an excellent addition to my power tool collection. This battery provides consistent and reliable power, giving my tools the energy they need to get the job done. It charges quickly and holds a long-lasting charge, so I don't have to worry about constantly swapping out batteries. Number 3. Craftsman V24.0 Lithium-ion Battery. This battery charges quickly, with compact V20 batteries charged in 60 minutes or less. It's designed to keep you working without long downtimes. Get back to your projects faster with this efficient charging system. The battery features premium-grade, high-performance cells. This ensures it delivers consistent and reliable power for your tools. You can count on it to get the job done efficiently. Compared to the standard V20 battery, this one offers up to 3 times more capacity. This means longer runtimes and less frequent recharges. It allows you to work longer on your projects. The charger includes an LED charging indicator, so you always know the status. This feature keeps you informed about the charging progress. It's a convenient way to monitor the battery's status. The battery includes a 3 LED state of charge indicator. This lets you easily see how much power is left. It helps you plan your work and avoid unexpected shutdowns. With no battery memory, it has virtually no self-discharge. This means it's always ready when you need it. It helps you stay productive without worrying about power loss. The charger is compatible with all Craftsman V20 power tool and outdoor tool batteries. This makes it a versatile addition to your tool collection. It provides flexibility and convenience. What we like. This battery and charger combo offers quick recharge times, getting you back to work faster. It also features optimized power and up to 3x more capacity than standard batteries. If you value efficiency and need a battery that can keep up with your demanding projects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. As described, works as it should, decent value, new life for old tools. Works great with my Craftsman air pump. I use this in my 1-2 mid-torque impact. It doesn't run out of power very quickly. Holds good power for the tool. One time I left my lights on in my truck so the battery died, and I used some scrap metal and jumper cables, hooked it up to my 20V Craftsman battery and started my truck. Number 2. Bonadget 7.0 battery for Craftsman 20V. This Bonadget battery is designed for Craftsman 20V tools. It works with various models, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's the ideal replacement for your power tools. With a 7.0 capacity, this battery provides longer runtimes than the original. The 2-pack ensures you have a spare, reducing downtime and extending the life of your tools. This means more work done with fewer interruptions. The battery uses high-quality cells and an adaptive chip for stable power. It includes overcharge, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature protection. This ensures safety and extends the battery's lifespan. The battery features LED indicators to display the power level. It's designed to match the original in size and appearance, making installation and removal easy. You can quickly check its status. This product comes with a 365-day warranty. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. To prolong its life, let it cool down after use or fully charge it before charging or using it. What we like. This battery boasts an upgraded 7.0 capacity, providing longer runtimes for your tools. It's made with high-quality cells and includes LED indicators to show power levels. If you want a battery that lasts longer and offers clear power status, consider this option. What people say. They perform better than the actual Craftsman battery that came with my drill and fit perfectly. Lasts way longer than you'd expect. They also charge pretty fast too, which helps when you're on a time crunch. Number 1. Craftsman CMCB 20520V 6.0 battery replacement. This is a replacement battery for your Craftsman 20V tools. It is designed to be a direct replacement for several models, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. The battery uses Lithium technology and provides 6.0 of power. This means it offers a long runtime, allowing you to complete your tasks without frequent recharges. It is compatible with various Craftsman 20V Max V20 series tools. Please note, it is not compatible with bolt-on and die-hard series. The battery includes built-in protection against overcharge, overdischarge, and short circuits. This ensures the safety of both the battery and your tools, extending their lifespan. The battery has CE and RoHS certifications. It has been tested to meet and exceed OEM product specifications, guaranteeing its quality and performance. It comes with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service. If you encounter any issues, you can get a refund or replacement. What we like. This battery offers a 6.0 capacity, ensuring your tools run longer. It includes built-in protections against overcharge and short circuits. If you prioritize both performance and peace of mind, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for the tools and charger. The battery lasts a long time and has a functioning indicator to let you know the power level. It can run for over 3 times as long as the original, also unsurprising because the original was 2 amps. However, a pleasant surprise with this battery is it doesn't jam when getting it in and out of the tool. And I think might even last longer than the one that came in a kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.